Ano ang pinakasentro ngayon na ginagawa, either it is through a program or an advocacy ng National Commission for Senior Citizen, na para mabago o ma-reinforce ang mindset na sa tingin ninyo para ma-promote ang pangmatagalang, mapayapa at malusog na pamumuhay ng mga senior citizen?
Actually, when we got in, that was the first worry I have. Baka problema to. But then I realized, ang daming malalakas na seniors, ang daming magagaling na seniors, and the senior is not only a reservoir, a source of a lot of inspiration.
Retired but not tired.
Yes. And so,
retired but not tired.
May programa tayo, Kuya Cesar, SECAD na. Senior Citizens Action for Development and Nation Building.
Second na.
SECAD.
Okay.
SECAD is actually yung SECAD.
SECAD.
Acronym.
SECAD. Alright. Okay.
So, we are really saying that kung ang lahat ng seniors ay magkaisa, isang tanong, ano bang iiwanan mo sa mundong ito? Assuming that nasa pre-departure ka na, may magagawa ka pa bang iiwanan mo yung mga abilidad mo? And I realized that maraming seniors ay nagbo-volunteer na iiwan yung mga abilidad nila sa edad na ito. In fact, next week we are going to Carmen, Surigao del Sur. It is one municipality that the seniors have united, and mayroon silang rice mill, mayroon silang piggery operated by the seniors. It's a social enterprise this time. In other words, pagka nagkaisa lang at pagka inisip lang natin, kaya nga I don't want to go into problem solving, but I would like to call your attention. May batas tayo na medyo nililimitahan ang ating buhay. At ang seniors, because you are forced to retire at 65. Optional at 60. And longevity has improved. Tumaas yung buhay ng Pilipino. Anong gagawin mo for the rest of your retirement?
After 65 years old.
After 65.
You're supposed to be Apollo, anong tawag yun? Apollo, anong tawag? May mayroon yan.
Apostolic.
Apostolic. Apostolic. Mag-aalaga ng apo.
Well, actually, that's just one of them. Kasi habang nag-aalaga ka ng apo, may intergenerational communication yan. Anong ginawa mo on these aspects?
Na nakakatulong.
Na nakakatulong. But more than that, ang daming magagaling. And we
nasayang.
see
Nasayang.
may mga development issues. Imagine, ang EDSA nasa high ground, binabaha. Can the engineers do something about it? Kasi sa baba ng EDSA, walang baha. Sa taas ng EDSA, may baha. So something can be done. It's not the problem, it's the solution that we can do a lot. A senior citizen is considered a pillar in nation building.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin yung mga may trabahong formal sa gobyerno at sa private sector. Marami rin mga senior citizen na nag-retire na walang formal na employment, private or public. But doon muna ako. Ano tingin nyo ho doon, Dr. Mike?
Actually, Secretary, napakagandang programa nito. Kasi right now, kaya nga kami ni Chairman Franklin nag-uusap, Kasi ang organisasyon ko, which we created in 2017, itong kapisanan ng mga social media broadcasters ng Pilipinas, Incorporated, is the industry partner of TESDA. Ibig sabihin, nang in-announce ni Director General ng TESDA, Suharto Magundadato, na for the very first time, there is now a formal training done by TESDA sa mga tao na who would like to go into social media activities, blogging, etc. And the course title is Social Media Creation, Content Creation. Nang in-announce yan ng TESDA, alam mo ba, Secretary, within 24 hours kung ano ang nag-apply and nagtanong, 30,000 inquiries in the first 24 hours.
30,000?
30,000 in the first 24
hours. Ilan ang senior citizen?
Siguro part of that, but this is broad.
All right.
In other words, that simply shows that the trend right now of what we're doing in this country, not only this country but the world, is migrating towards a conventional thing into digital and social media. Kanina, nag-usap-usap tayo and the good senator was talking about keywords. Ang sinasabi niya is information dissemination, sharing, information dissemination, sharing, and influencing the young. No? Kasi role model kasi kami mga senior citizen. We are exposed to years of knowledge and resources that we can probably teach the young.
So isa itong areas na pwedeng itulong ng senior citizen. Pero balikan ko lang yung senior citizen. Yeah.
Pero before that,
sige.
no? Bago makatulong ang senior citizen, we have to level up the senior citizen by training them na magiging competent sila in the social media activities. And we would like to use this free training test the course, no, na ibibigay namin sa mga senior citizen so that they will now level up from the conventional way of doing things into the digital way of doing things.
Alright.
Using their cell phones.
Okay.
Libre po ito, Secretary.
We can innovate even at this age. We can still be productive with support of government or even without. If you have well-meaning individuals like Dr.
Mike Aragon,
Mike, who would be willing to help. Ang nakikita ko kasi, seniors helping seniors easy. And seniors helping others is an obligation by the seniors. It's an intergenerational obligation.
When you talk about the information, the dissemination, the digital
It empowers
social
people.
media, the digital social media is a very
correct?
potent factor na magagamit lang, hindi senior citizen lang, everybody.
yes, ever.
You are an expert on this. Secretary.
Nice to see you, Dr. Mike.
Pleasure is mine.
Nakita ko yung mga pinafile mong kaso.
Advocacy lang, walang personal.
Walang
No
personal.
personal.
In the process, you're helping the people. And that is also intergenerational responsibility for people, of people like you. All right. Chairman, maraming salamat din sa'yo.
Diyos mapalos, thank you very much, Kuya Cesar.
Dapat paminsan-minsan, every Saturday, nagre-remind ko, mga senior citizen, you avail this now, you avail this now. Sometimes kailangan yung communication strategy is redundancy. Kailangan redundant tayo eh.
Pero may I take this opportunity
Walang
kasi
oras, ha? Sige.
na i-request kita to be our resource
okay.
speaker during
Sige.
our trainings
Sige lang,
sa
sige
social
lang.
media.
Sige
One of
lang.
these days.
That's what I do. Alright, Dr. Mike, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Kuya Cesar.
Chairman Frank, maraming salamat.
Mobilize.
Mobilize talaga.
Alright, sumayin nyo ang ating palatuntunang special on Saturday sa umagang ito ng Sabado. Ako po si Cesar Chavez.